Hello, welcome to MarkESOL's 5-minute grammar lesson. Today we're going to talk about prepositions of place using at, in and on for different places. When do we use at? When do we use in? Let's try and understand, let's try and discover. So, prepositions of place basics. We're going to talk about talking to Mark on the phone. We're going to look at when we use in, when we use on, when we use at. Then finally, we're going to look at what's the difference between being in hospital or at the hospital. Is it on the bus? Is it in a car? I don't know. I do know, but I'm going to tell you eventually. Right, we've got 5 minutes. We've got 4 minutes. Let's get going. Watch it twice. First thing to say is I'm not going to try and explain the difference between and next to by typing and speaking. That would be crazy. I'd have to do it like this. Where is the potato? Carrot, potato, spinach. Yes, potato is between carrot and spinach. Where is the potato now? Broccoli, potato. Yes, the potato's on the right of the broccoli. We're not going to be doing that. Real life we're talking about now. We're not talking about potatoes. We're going to make it easy peasy, pudding and pie, as I like to say. After you watch this video, you will never be confused by in, at, on again, hopefully. So, imagine you're talking to me on the phone. You're lost, you're worried, you need me to give you a ring, then give you a lift, then your phone rings, I'm calling you. Hi mate, I'm waiting at the cafe. I thought we were going for a coffee and some cake. Hurry up, where are you? You need to tell me where you are so I can come and get you. Are you on a mountain? Are you in a mountain? Are you at a mountain? This is why we need some prepositions of place. They're very important, small little words. I'm going to find out exactly where you are. So, are you on top of the mountain? Are you in the mountain? Are you in a cave? Or are you at the mountain next to it? Well, it's a big mountain. You could be anywhere near the mountain. It's all going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 3 minutes to go. It's all going to be fine. So, in. We use in when we're talking about somewhere really big or you're inside somewhere. So inside my wallet, inside my bag is my wallet. My phone is in my pocket. Oh, no, it isn't. I left my phone in the classroom. We use in if you're in a room, in the bedroom, or if you're in a lift. Don't get claustrophobic in a lift. In a building, I'm in a hotel. I'm in the Trafford Centre. That gets confusing though, because we can also say at. But you're inside these buildings. Sorry, I can't speak. I'm in a class. We also say in when we're in a big space. If we're in a field, in a park, in space, in the sky, or in a city or a neighborhood. It's a really big place I'm in. I'm in New York somewhere. I'm in Cheetham Hill, a neighborhood. Where in the world are you? Are you in the countryside? Also, transport that you get inside. He's in a taxi. She's in her car. I'm in a boat, but not a bus. So on, as we know, as a basic proposition, it means above something and touching. The cat is on the table. The elephant is on the car or on top of the car. Don't let the elephant in the car, it'd be too big. Don't let the elephant on the car, it's going to crush it. Right, elephants. I'm riding on an elephant, perhaps in India. It's a type of transport you can get on. You can get on a camel, on a horse, on a donkey, all things you can ride. You don't drive a motorbike, you ride it. You get on it. You put one leg over and you get on the same as on a skateboard, and you get on a bus. This is the crazy one. The bosses of English, whoever they are, they say you step onto a bus because they didn't used to have roofs, so you just get on them. You can also step onto a plane, a train, or a boat. You're getting up and on. So you can say, I'm in the tram, I'm on the tram. Both are fine. Don't worry about it. And you can be on a road as if you're just on top of it. At is an exact place or position. Where are you on the road? I'm at the traffic lights. Where are you in the supermarket? I'm at the checkouts. I'm at the bar. All over the place. At the moment, I'm at home. I'm not at work. I'm not at college. You say you're at a place. It doesn't matter if you're in the bedroom, in the garden, or standing on the roof. You're at that place. You're at home. You're at work. You can even be at the beach. Or we say at for a specific location, like 38 Dickinson Road. I'm not there. Don't come round to my house. At the Eiffel Tower. I'm sitting at my desk. Now, hospital. It's a little bit confusing. But if you're in bed, you're in hospital. If you're just visiting, you're at the hospital, and hopefully you're all okay. Okay, bye, 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 bye.